Yes, guys, how to create videos with ChatGPT and Pictory. Let's go, guys. This is like the best combination ever. I'm really getting into automation, AI videos. It's just crazy, guys. It's amazing. It's really fun as well. So, guys, check it out. Look, you got to be specific with ChatGPT. You can't be like flaky. You can't be like, it can't be like vague. It has to be very clear. Clarity is key with ChatGPT. So, for example, look, so I put down best YouTube videos to make about making money online, right? Makes a bit of sense. Yeah. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Let's click submit. Let's go. How to make money with affiliate marketing. Right. They even give me names of the people. How to make money from YouTube without AdSense. How to make money with Amazon FBA. How to make money with eBay. How to make money with freelance writing. How to make money with a blog. How to make money with cryptocurrency. 5 ways to make money online. How to make money with dropshipping. So look, they've given you ideas of the best YouTube videos to make about making money. Now, look, depending on how you word your question will depend on what you get as an answer. Now, obviously, sometimes they'll come up with similar answers, but they'll always add some other answers as well, because it's the way you ask the question. But it gives you an idea. So, for example, let's just look at how to make money with cryptocurrency, right? And then what you can do is, let's say cryptocurrency is something that you're interested in, or let's say, I don't know, which one was it? Was there a drop shipping one? Drop shipping, yeah. Drop shipping is pretty popular, right? It's pretty popular. And a lot of people do make videos on drop shipping, to be honest, on all of them. But let's choose drop shipping for now. So that's going to be our key theme, right? So what we do is, now that we know drop shipping is what we want to do videos on, remember, you've got to think about videos that you want to do as well, that you're passionate about, because you can't just do something random videos. You want to do something that you want to help people with. So if it's about helping people make more money, then do that. If it's about cars and you really love cars, then look at cars and focus on cars, because passion is important. But let's say drop shipping. So how to make money with drop shipping. Okay, best YouTube videos on drop shipping. So I might say on drop shipping. Yeah, now that I'm getting specific now. How to make YouTube, or yeah, let's just delete the answers now, because these are the answers that they've given me. Delete that and then just click submit. Best YouTube videos on drop shipping for beginners, drop shipping with AliExpress, drop shipping on Shopify with AliExpress. So look, can you see? They've even given me the link. Wow, that's mad. So basically, let's say I want to do videos on drop shipping. They've given me some of the best topics to do for drop shipping. Right? I don't know why number 8 is stopped though. That's mad. Let me just delete this again. Now look, drop shipping 101 with Anton Crayley. Yeah, that was the first one. So if I click submit again, they give you more answers, guys. Look, they give you more answers. So people might be thinking, like, for example, typing in how to start drop shipping with no money, right? That seems like a plausible thing that people would ask. So how to start drop shipping with no money. Now, this is what you do. Let's say now these are some really like topics that people like, okay, that people look for. There's a few things that we need to do. All right, there's a few things we need to do. So we need to, and this is how to do a quick video with Pictory, right? Remember, guys, you can check out my playlist. I'll go through a lot more information up there, so check them out as well. But check this out, guys. I'm gonna copy this, right? I'm gonna copy this. How to start drop shipping with no money, right? I'm just gonna go on the internet. I'm going on the internet. That's all I'm going to do, right? That's a topic that I can do a video on, right? That's popular because we verified that with ChatGPT. So we know that now. That's fine. Now, what we do is we then search and see what are there any topics on there? I mean, look, there's people doing videos on it. You can see. But we also see that there are things that people have. There are lots of articles. And that's what we want to do. We want to find some text, some articles, something, right? So we have a look at this. Let's see what this is. How to start drop shipping business with no money, right? Great. That's great, right? We got something. Now, so like let's say there's all this like information on it, right? All this information. Well, I'm just going to take one segment, one part. Is it really possible to make money with sorry, to do drop shipping with no money? So they answered that question. I'm going to just use this for now, right? Let me just take this, right? Now listen, you can't just copy the text and just use it because obviously that's copyright, right? So we need to use something else, right? That we change the text, change it around in your own words, okay? That way you can use it. And guys, look at this. This software is amazing. It's called Quillbot. And what this does is it will paraphrase it for you. It will change it completely. It will make it into a fluent standard, formal standard, simple standard. Look at that. Creative, expand it, whatever you want. So look, I want to paste the text. Yeah, I've just pasted, click paste, and here's my text, right? There's my text. Actually, I might just add a little bit more, right? I think I might add a little bit more because I want a little bit more information. So let's have a look. Is there anything else? It's telling me how to actually pick a platform to sell on. Okay, so they're giving me more information on dropshipping. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's fine. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's fine. Copy that. Go back to Quillbot. Let me add it, paste it back in there, right? I've pasted it there. There it is. Will it allow me to paste it? Let me just click enter and see. Okay. So anyways, so what I do is now I'm going to paraphrase it. Click paraphrase. It's going to change it up into a different a different format, different wording, so that it becomes original and it's not a copied version. It becomes new, original, something that I can use now. Okay. So it's going to change it up. Paraphrase, click that. Look at the side. Look at this. It's changed it. It's changed it. Guys, look at this. It's changed it. So for example, if we look at the top, you can see it's in the original one, it said technically yes, you can start dripping with no money. And then in this one, it says, in theory, you may begin drop shipping with no money. Look, changed it up, right? My own writing style. And look at that in seconds. So guys, look at this. And then what I do, you just copy the full text here, copy full text. Now, granted, this is like I'm just using it for free right now, but you can also upgrade, and then you can use the version, the upgraded version, where you can put as much text as you want and do everything you want. Because some of these features are not available on the free one. But let's say I've just used the free version, right? And now I'm going to the one called Pictory, which I love. I love Pictory because look, this thing is amazing. Like now, what it does is look, you can actually copy and paste the URL. It'll take articles straight to video, edit videos using text visual to videos. But what I want to do is I want to do the script or the writing text to video. I really like this one. And remember, guys, for all my free trials, including Pictory, you can check it in the link in my description, guys. Check them out. Just try it out for free. Now check this out, right? Look at this. Proceed. Let me go to proceed. Right. I'm going to just put the text, right? Remember, I copied it. I'm going to Control V it now. Control V. And then just put my text in its place. Okay. It says enter your video name. Yeah, I need to put a video name as well. Let me try it again. Oh, there you go. Okay. So let me try drop shipping with no money. I'm just going to call it drop shipping with no money. Drop shipping with no money. Can you drop ship with money? Well, let me do a question. Can you drop ship with no money? Capital, right? That's my question, right? And the video's on that. Okay, so there's my little text. Now, don't forget, really, you're going to probably need more text than that, definitely. Spell check, yes. Okay, and yeah, let's go. So let's say I'm taking that. I want to make it into a video. Obviously, you're going to need more text, realistically, a bit more information. That's quite light, but I just want to show you this demo. So proceed. Let's go. Let's check this out. Right, let's choose a template. Now, don't forget, these guys are smart. Pictory is smart, so it's going to choose also something that relates, somehow relates. Let's see what's going on. There's all sorts, I don't know which one to choose, really. I mean, what's going to be related to drop shipping? Right? There's loads. There's loads. But let's say I choose something, because look, something's going to happen where it does change up. I want to just choose this one for now, right? Just for now. I'm going to select it. Sorry. Yeah, I want it to be like YouTube aspect ratio, obviously. Now, let's go. Let's see what's going on with this one. Look at this. So basically, it's going to change up the text into the style, into the video right now. It's doing it now, which is really quick. And let's see, text to video visuals are ready. Let's go. Should be ready. 100% complete. Okay, that's good. And then get my visuals ready. Let's go. See, the thing about this is, something to do with my internet. No way. Oh, no, I've got internet. Okay, so we're here. We're here, guys. Right. Look at this. Look, see, this is what I'm talking about. I love the way it's so smart. Did you see like how it chose a corporate style? However, look, it changed it up. It's put $1 or money. It says, in theory, you may begin drop shipping with no money, with a money thing in the background, a nice little graphic, guys. Love this thing, man. Look at this. Let me see the next scene. Realistically, the optimum conditions to have basic tools such as a computer, internet, and model. And they've got this kind of background video imagery that reflects what it's saying. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I love about this. And look, they've broken down my text in a nice video. Look, I mean, they've broken it down with really, look at this. There are a few ways to launch a new account without even a single cash to your name. But look at this. Look how they've created, guys, something that reflects what your text is saying. That's the smart thing. That's what I like about Pictory. But guys, there's so much more to this. There's so much more. Let me go to the original slide, right? So I'm going to click on the text, yeah, because the text is too big. I want it way smaller. So I'm going to just go make it smaller. I've got a few bits I want to just do. Oops, sorry. Let me go to 20. 20 should be okay. 20 is too small. Let me go to a little bit bigger, all right? 24. 24 should be all right, yeah? 24 should be cool. I think 24 is better now, yeah? And then I'm just going to drop it down. I like my text not to take up too much space. Like I want to go down a bit lower. Let me go down. Okay, and apply to all. I'm going to apply this to all. That means apply to all my slides, yeah? They're all going to be a bit like there. I might change it up, but let me preview this, yeah, guys. Let me preview this. So check this out. Let me click preview and just see what it looks like. Yeah, nice, guys. Right now, check it. So I can change the sound, but I'm gonna see that you got the audio. Sorry, I can change the sound. I mean that music, but I can also change. I can also add a voiceover, and with all AI animation videos, they all got this really cool kind of voiceover or different voices. So I want to do this. You can upload or record. I don't want to put my voice on there because they got great ones. Look at this. They got loads of voiceovers. So if I click voiceover, look, they got male, female, and different kind of voices. You can hear them as well.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video
See what I mean?
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Wow.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases. Welcome to Pictory.
Right.
It has been shown that.
Welcome to Pictory.
I'm
It
just
has
gonna go
been
with the
shown
first
that
one, right? I'm
video
just gonna click
increases
apply.
conversion rate by 80%.
Right, I've just applied it. Now, let's see what it looks like, guys. Let's see what this looks like. Let's preview this. Let's preview the video. Now, look, how long has it been? What, 2-3 minutes, guys? I mean, it's 5 minutes altogether to create a video, right? That's all it is. Now, so let's see how it looks. Let's see how.
In theory, you may begin drop shipping with no money. Realistically, the optimum conditions for success include having basic tools, such as a computer and the internet, and a modest investment to begin started. There are a few ways to launch a new company without having even a single cash to your name. If possible, take advantage of free trials and select free alternatives to paid versions. If you have the time to spend some time on the internet, you can find some free products to help you get started. You can even locate free e-commerce platforms to host your website on until you're ready to make the upgrade and invest money. The next step after selecting your goods is to choose which of the several.
Guys, what do you reckon? I mean, what do you reckon? Look how quick that was. I didn't even really focus on like what it is I was putting in. I could have changed the music. I grant you the text should be a bit higher because it was a bit too low. Guys, this is crazy. And then all I need to do is go to something like Canva, where I create all my thumbnails. So obviously Canva is fantastic for creating thumbnails. This is where I do all of my thumbnails. So you literally could just do like a quick thumbnail, which takes like minutes. Mine's very basic, guys. But that is what you would do. That is exactly how you'd produce your video, guys, using the 3 methods. Like I said, go to Chatbot, guys. Very quickly, just have a look and see exactly what kind of video you want to do. Remember, go home in on the type of video you want to do. Take that info, how to start dropping, knowing that this is a popular one about making drop shipping with no money. Get an article or text, jump onto Quillbot where you can change it up, make sure that's your own original work, and then jump onto Pictory and then produce your own video, which you can upload on YouTube. And guys, it's literally, that is all you need to do. It's that simple, guys. That simple, guys. That quick, that simple. But guys, I've got all the links in my description in terms of all the free trials for everything that you've seen right now. Canva, Pictory, and you can try it out and see how it works for you. But guys, it's that simple. That's all you need to do to create fantastic AI videos, automated videos really quickly. So if you did like the video, guys, I hope you did. Hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And remember, don't forget to check out my playlist also, which gives you more tips and ideas on AI and automation. Guys, take care, and I shall see you on the next one.